when this unit kicks on, it sounds like a dishwasher running in every room. You shouldn't be able to hear water moving that well through the registers. You come down here and see it is looking rough. We got evidence of it overpressurizing possibly. You can see that a lot of hands have been in here working on it. It's looking a bit cattywampus. This right now is what you're hearing is the heat pump. So that's a normal noise. It's just a bit louder than normal. But if it's getting air in there, that's going to make that pump hit pockets of air and water cavitate, and it's going to wear that out faster. Cannot find where it's losing water so far, besides that. But there's multiple possibilities of what could be going on here.